Ever wondered what fruits or vegetables are currently flourishing in your area? There's something magical about the rhythm of the seasons, each bringing its unique bounty of fresh produce. The choices you make in your kitchen can be a reflection of the world outside your window. As we dive into this culinary journey, you've shared some fantastic seasonal ingredients from your regions. From succulent strawberries to earthy beetroot and crisp apples, your suggestions are as diverse as the climates you inhabit. Today, we're going to turn this seasonal symphony into a culinary masterpiece. How, you ask? By crafting a recipe that sings with the flavors of the season, weaving together your suggestions into a dish that's as vibrant and varied as our global community. Imagine a dish that starts with a base of roasted beetroot, its earthy sweetness providing a grounding note. Next, we layer in the bright tang of freshly picked strawberries, their natural sugars caramelizing beautifully as they hit the heat. Finally, we add a crunch with thinly sliced apples, their tartness playing off the sweetness of the other ingredients. This recipe is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of the seasons. It's a testament to the beauty of local produce and the power of community. It's a reminder that no matter where we are in the world, we can create something beautiful from the ingredients around us. To recap, we took your suggestions for seasonal ingredients and combined them in a unique recipe. We started with roasted beetroot as our base, added in caramelized strawberries for a touch of sweetness, and finished with crisp apple slices for that perfect crunch. The result? A dish that's a reflection of the world outside your window, a celebration of the seasons, and a testament to our global community. So the next time you're at your local market, take a moment to appreciate the bounty of the season. Who knows, you might just find inspiration for your next culinary masterpiece. Remember, cooking is an adventure. It's about exploring new flavors, experimenting with different combinations, and creating something beautiful from the ingredients around you. So keep those suggestions coming, and let's continue this culinary journey together. Until next time, happy cooking!